Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to this Mark ERP tutorial in which we will discuss on country option of Inventory Master. That how you can create, modify and delete country in Mark ERP software. Basically, why there is a need of creating country. Whenever you create the ledger of your customer or supplier, so you have to enter their required details like their name or company name, address, email ID, phone number, state and so on. So similarly, country is also a required field in the ledger. That from which country the customer or supplier belongs to, whom you are creating the ledger, etc. Though country remains India by default, but if you are importing or exporting goods from another country, then you can use the country option. So now let us understand that how you can create, modify and delete country in Mark ERP software. For which, firstly we will go to the Master's menu, then Inventory Master, and from here enter on the country option. And if this option does not get displayed to you here, so to enable this option, we will go to Master's menu, then to Mark Setups and press enter on Control Room field. And here we will search country, then press enter on accept button, and from the drop down we will set this option state or country field required in Party Master to yes. Then press escape key, again press escape key, then click on yes button to save the changes. Then this country master option will be shown to you in Inventory Master as you can see on the screen. We will press enter on country field. So you can see here by default India country is already being created as we have told you in the beginning. Now suppose you are exporting and importing goods outside India. So we will create new country, and to create new country we will press F2 function key, and here we will mention the country name, like we will take Bangladesh, then press enter key, and here we will define the code of Bangladesh. Then again press enter key. So in this way you can create country according to you. And if you want to modify any country, like you have done a spelling mistake by chance at the time of creating country, or you have wrongly added the country code, or you wanted to create another country instead of that. So for that, we will press F3 function key on that country which needs to be modified. Like the country which we have created, Bangladesh, and we want to take Australia or Afghanistan instead of that. So we will mention that country name here accordingly, and here we will mention that country code. So in this way you can modify the country. Now we will come to the deletion part. If you want to delete any country from here, so you will press delete key on the country name which you want to delete. Suppose the country which we have just created, Bangladesh, we want to delete it. So we will press delete key on it. Then this confirmation window will appear. Are you sure want to delete? And to confirm this, press enter on yes button. So you can see the country which we have created has been deleted. So friends, in this way we can create, modify and delete new country in Mark ERP software as per your requirement. Thanks for watching.